I'm William Devane. Do you know why I like the sound of gold? I like it because it provides a feeling of safety. Gold is a tangible asset that helps preserve my wealth. You know what other sound I like? Rosland Capital.
Rosland Capital is a trusted leader in helping people acquire precious metals. Gold bullion, Lady Liberty gold and silver proofs, and premium coins can help you preserve your wealth. Call Rosland Capital to receive your free Rosland Guide to Gold, Gold and Precious Metals IRA, and Silver Brochure. With Rosland, there are no gimmicks, no hassles, and they have fast, reliable shipping.
Gold is money. Make gold your new standard.
Call Rosland Capital today at 800-630-8900. 800-630-8900. That's 800-630-8900.